What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but I'm finally back with some modifications. Today's going to be a bit of a vlog style installation. So I actually got these pieces a long time ago. To be fair, I've been waiting for them for a while, but they finally arrived. There's some more carbon bits for the interior of the car. That's pretty much all I've got left to do, really. And obviously I hit up my guys at CLC Performance for this, so make sure you use the 10% discount code to go get your stuff. What I've got here is a carbon what's it called, handbrake cover, and a gear selector. So let me put this on a white surface. Hopefully it looks a little bit better. So yeah, guys, this is going to be my next mod. All, real carbon. Right now I've got some like overlay kind of thing on, but this like actual carbon piece I think feels nice to touch already. So yeah, can't wait to get it installed. So let's get into the car and then I'll show you guys exactly how to fit these in. Basically, I took off the overlay, which was like that, and obviously it's left some the gluey residue behind. I'll deal with it after because I'm going to be taking it off anyway, so there's no point dealing with it now. So first what I need to do is pry off this bit here using a trim tool. Then there's, I believe, a T8, but I can't seem to find a T8 screw, so I'm gonna see what it is. I'm hoping it's a T10, but I remember someone saying it was a T8, so let's find out. Let me put you guys down and get on with it. Alright guys, so I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to pry open this bit here. It's just stuck on with some tape, so all you got to do is gently open it up. This will then reveal a T8. I don't know why they're using that, but it's a T8. So let's get a closer look at what it looks like. So that's what the gear shift knob looks like. And we're going to take off that screw there using the T8 and remove the casing. So bear with me while I put the camera back down and use the T8. Oh. Okay, it's coming off slowly. And then let's make sure we don't lose this. Yeah, I have no clue why they're using such a small screw. Stupid, because I didn't even have a T8, so I had to actually go out and buy it. But yeah, this is what it looks like pretty much. I don't believe we need anything. Actually, we might need this white thing here. So what I'm going to do is use this to push it out. I'm sure it comes out. Yep, it does seem to come out. So, oops. Right, so the P button fell off. I'm gonna gently, hope you can see this. I'm literally just pushing it through. So carefully place it in exactly how it was, really. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just literally poking the white thing back into place. Ensure it's fitted properly. Now, what I dropped was the M bit off this, so let me quickly grab that. Right guys, so line up the P, and then I think they should all just slot in place, hopefully. Like so. Yep, perfect. And now I think if I just use the T8, was it? Oh my god, it's so hot in here. The T8 to tighten it. and I think we should be done. Let's put that there. Make sure the P button's working. Everything's slotted in perfectly, and yeah, just tighten the T8. Yep, massive flop there, but I think it can tighten a little bit more maybe. It's pretty tight, and it's sitting very flush, I have to say. So I'm quite happy to give it one last twist, and I think that should do. And to finish off, we've got this lovely new sticker thing. Where's the old one? Let me compare it. So this is the old one. It doesn't really have the M logo. This one does, and it looks new, so I'm gonna go with this one. Just got a bit of 3M tape on the back, and literally just sits on like that really. So hold on a sec, my hands are a little bit sweaty because it's so hot today. Okay, so peel back the tape. And there we go. Looks good. Quite happy with this. Very easy install, I have to say. P button works. So, moment of truth. Let's put it, yeah. Actually, shall we start it up? Yeah, why not? Oh yeah, because of my ghost, it's just cut off, but yeah, everything seems to work. Oops, copyright, you know. So next we're going to move on to the handbrake. This one's a bit of a sticky one because it's really annoying to get the handbrake thing off. So I'm gonna wait till my sister comes home and then get her to hold the camera whilst you guys can see what to do. Alright guys, so the last mod to do is this carbon fibre handbrake cover. So first things first, we need to remove the old one, and to do that you're going to need a trim tool. So there's a little bit of a gap here on the bottom, and you just pry it out. It's really stuck, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so you got to press the button, right? And as you're pressing the button, you just put in as much force as you can, and it should come off. So that bit's off, it's just the bits within the actual... Oh shit, I just realised I can't put it down now.
You are a different breed.
No, but it's like, you see this bit's out, it's just, there's a clip on this side that will come out eventually. I just need to get it in.
Oh.
There you go. There you go. That's that really. Yep. You just need to get these out of the... I think I'm... Nope. All the clips seem to be fine. So... Yep, that was that. Now we need to kind of go back inside and reattach the new handbrake cover. So the funny thing about German engineering is that this is actually held together by a zip tie. So what you're going to need is some spare zip ties, scissors, and yeah, that's about it really. So cut the old zip tie off. I will take it off simply, and all you got to do is remove the leather casing like so, and insert the new one, which should, there you go, perfect.
It's a really quick install, to be fair. The hardest part is probably taking it off. So yeah, so as you can see here, everything's aligned perfectly. I'm pretty sure this is the way it goes in. So just wanted a little bit more clearance, so we can zip tie it a little bit tighter, make sure the whole thing's, you know, kind of firmly on. So second time lucky. That looks better. Just trying to tighten it as much as possible, and then snip. There we go. And now, see, now it's not as loose as it was before. So you guys just simply, once you've reattached it, slide it back into place, and everything should fit quite easily. Obviously here, you just have to make sure this bit probably goes in first. So start from the top and then push it in, and then you could easily get the bottom one in by just hitting it in, you know what I mean? There you go. And then, yeah, all done. So that's the final bit of carbon interior. I think everything else has got a bit of carbon now, so that's it from me. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully you'll see more videos in a more frequent basis. See you guys next time.